Hi friends! Thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea and I've spent a lot of time over the last few years trying out and recreating some of my family's favorite dishes. Recently, we found out that my daughter really loves broccoli, so we've been bringing beef and broccoli back. Broccoli has thick stems that takes longer to cook than the thin strips of marinated beef, so you won't be able to just stir fry them together. The way I'm making it today makes it the saucy, moist beef and broccoli that a lot of us are familiar with. Come on, let's get started. Start off by cutting 1 medium head of broccoli into bite-sized florets. Then mince 4 cloves of garlic and thinly slice 1 thick piece of ginger, about the size of your thumb. Now slice 3/4 pounds of flank steak into thin slices. Make sure to cut against the grain to break up the fibers in the meat and to make the meat less tough. Now we can prepare the marinade and the sauce. To make the marinade, combine 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Add the marinade to the beef and stir. Set aside to marinate for half an hour. To make the sauce, combine 1/2 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of brown sugar, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil. While your beef is marinating, put a pot of water on the stove and bring it to a boil. While waiting for your pot of water to come to a boil, make 2 cups of rice, whichever way you normally make it. I'll be making my rice in the Ataki Pro. Once your pot of water comes to a boil, add in the broccoli and turn the heat to medium. Let the broccoli cook until your desired softness. I'll be making my broccoli a little softer since my daughter likes her broccoli soft. While your broccoli is cooking, prepare your ice bath or a tub of really cold water. When your broccoli is at your desired tenderness, quickly strain and drain your broccoli and then put your broccoli into your ice bath to cool it down. This step is completely optional. It's only to help your broccoli maintain its current texture and color. Okay, so our beef has now been marinating for about half an hour. It's time to cook it. Warm your wok or pan over high heat, then add oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and ginger. Sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute. Then add the beef in and brown for a minute or 2. Add the sauce and stir until thickened. Add the broccoli and give a quick toss. And done. Take a portion of your rice and put it in your bowl. Pour some of the beef and broccoli over your rice and enjoy. Thank you again for joining me today. If you liked my video and you're looking for more quick and easy Chinese dinner ideas, click the like button and subscribe. Until next time, friends. Mwah!